When starting a business, most start off small and grow based on the demand of their products or services. Whether you've got a brick and mortar shop, sell at a farmer's market, or have an online store, most business owners want to grow. You're passionate about your business, as you should be. I'm Emily, and I'm going to show you some ways you can sell anywhere using managed WooCommerce stores. But there's a lot to factor in when trying to grow your business. Do you need an online store? Do you need a way to accept payments when you're selling your products in person? Where do you start with marketing? What are the tools you need in your toolbox to do all of these things? These are the questions that can plague us and keep us up at night. With managed WooCommerce stores, you'll have a multi-channel selling, unified experience all in one place that often requires multiple solutions. You'll be able to build a unique, flexible online store that's a direct expression of your business that can grow with you. And if you want to get your product in front of more eyes, you can easily do that with GoDaddy Marketplaces. GoDaddy Marketplaces is included in your managed WooCommerce stores plan and will enable you to list your products on some of the largest marketplaces out there, like Amazon, eBay, and Walmart. You'll also be able to list your products on the top social platforms like Facebook, Etsy, and Instagram. You'll be able to process anywhere from 1,000 to 5,000 orders per month at no additional cost based upon the plan you select. Simply add the new sales channels that you'd like to expand your products to and connect to each one right from within your GoDaddy account. You'll be able to create listings and add information to your products from within managed WooCommerce stores, and it will automatically sync and be carried over to the marketplaces that you have linked. When a product is purchased from a marketplace, the orders will be automatically synced back to your WooCommerce store so that your inventory and order fulfillment is managed in one central dashboard location. If you decide to branch out and start selling in person, or if you already are, managed WooCommerce stores can help with that too. With GoDaddy point of sale solutions, you'll be able to purchase hardware like the Smart Terminal or Card Reader that will help you seamlessly accept credit or debit card payments that integrates directly with managed WooCommerce stores. With the added integration of point of sale hardware, you'll be able to plus the customer experience by offering options like purchasing products on the online store with in-store pickup, so that they can pay with cash, credit or debit card, or even other payment methods like Apple Pay. Whether you sell in an online store, in person, or on some of the largest marketplaces and social platforms out there, you'll have the flexibility to do that all in one place with managed WooCommerce stores. I'm Emily. See you next time.